YouTube channel. Let's make it simple. A simple and easier way to learn maths and science. So today I'm going to teach you about class 8 factorization. Okay, the factorization of any polynomial can be defined as we have to write the same polynomial in terms of its factors. Okay, so it means in its factorized form we have to write a polynomial, that is a factorization. Okay, so let us understand how to do factorization. A factorization can be done in 4 different ways. As you can see on my screen, the first one is the expression of the form a whole multiply x plus y plus b whole multiply x plus y. The second one is by rearranging suitable terms. The third one is using identities, and the fourth one is factorizing trinomials of certain forms. Okay, now first one, type 1, that expression of the form a x plus y plus b x plus y. As you can see here, I've taken one question. I will explain the same thing by using this questions, a few questions. The first one is x b minus c minus y b minus c. In both the two terms, what you are observing here, that b minus c here also, b minus c here also is common. So what we can take, this whole b minus c we can take as common. Okay. So after by taking b minus c from this first term, so I'm writing b minus c in fact brackets. Why? Because this whole I've taken common. Okay, so from the first term, what is left behind? X. Now, what is the sign here? Minus. I've put minus here. And what is the second term? What is left behind? Y. So I will write this y as here. Okay, so what is the answer of b minus c whole multiply x minus y? When you will multiply these two terms, now you will get the same term. This whole polynomial you will get. Okay, so this is one question. I'm solving one more question for you people. So 4p plus q whole square minus 8p plus q. So what you are observing, that this p plus q whole square it is there and p plus q is there. This p plus q is common, and this p plus q whole square means what? It will be nothing but p plus q whole multiply p plus q, isn't it? Two times we have to write p plus q. Of course we have formula, but now we are not using formula here. Now p plus q whole square. Okay, and from this constant term 4 and 8, what is the maximum that we can take common? 4 we can take common. Okay, so what we will write here, we have taken 4 common from the constant terms, and we are writing p plus q common. Okay, so this whole I have taken common from these two terms, and from you can see here. So what is left behind? We will see here. From 4 we have taken 4 common. So constant 1 is common. So no need to write 1 here. Now this from p plus q variable, p plus q whole square, p plus q is already taken common. So you can see here 1 and 2. 2p plus q, p plus q is there. So I have taken 1 p plus q common. So what is left behind? Simple p plus q. Okay, minus from second term now. Second term from 8, 4 has taken common. So what is left behind? 2. And from p plus q, the whole p plus q has taken common. Okay, so what is left behind? 1. No need to write it again. Okay, so this 4 p plus q, and what will left here? P plus q minus 2. So this will be your answer. Okay, now come to the next one. This is type 2, by rearranging suitable terms. Now what we have to do, you can see the polynomial is there. Okay, now we have to rearrange this polynomial in such a way that it will become a type 1 type of factorization. So m cube plus 4m taking together plus 5m square plus 20 taking together. Okay, now from m cube and m, what the maximum we can take common? M. Okay, so one trick I'm giving you, when two same variable is there and you have to take common, the minimum power. Okay, the minimum power. What is the power of m here? 1, isn't it? And what is the power of m here? Q. So what is the minimum power? 1. Okay, so 1 we can take as common. So 1 we have taken common. So what is left behind? M square plus 4. Okay, plus, so no constant here we can take common. So no need to write, only variable we have taken common. Now you can see here from these two, here we have m square, here there is no variable. So what we can't take any variable common, but constant here is 5 and 20. We can take 5 as common. So after taking 5 as common, what left behind? M square plus 4. You can see here it's just like has become type 1 type factorization. So it will be m square plus 4 taking common. So what is left behind? M plus 5. So this will be your answer. Let us take one more example. AB square minus BC square minus AB plus C square. Okay, so now rearranging the same terms or writing it together. So you can see here, now this minus, we have taken minus here as common since we are writing it in the bracket. So this AB will become positive. Okay, from you must have learned algebra, so you must be knowing this, and it will become minus C square, isn't it? Okay, so here what we can do here, this minus BC square here. So from here the common is what? B is common. So we can take B as common here. Okay, the variable, because here it is power 2, here it is power 1. So one power we can take common. So what will left behind? AB square minus C square. And minus here nothing can take common, so we can write 1. So AB minus AB, sorry, here it is AB. Okay, AB minus C square. So we can see here what? This common term is that just like type 1 factorization. So AB minus C square we have taken common. So this will become B minus 1. So this will be your answer. Okay. Now the type 3 factorization is by using identities. So we have three identities: identity 1, identity 2 and identity 3. First we will learn about identity 1 and identity 2 factorization. It is nothing but A plus B whole square is nothing but A square plus B square plus 2AB, and A minus B square is equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now by using these two identities we have to do factorization. Okay, now how? Let us understand by using a polynomial. Now A square plus 4B plus 4B square, this is our question. Now what we have to do, first we have to check that are there any three terms? Yes, there are three terms. Okay, the first condition. Now the second condition is what? Can we write any two terms out of these three terms in form of the square? Yes, we have two terms. These two terms are there, we can write in the form of a square. So it can be written as 4A ka whole square plus B ka whole square. So is the middle term, the left behind term, is in the form of 2AB, that we have to check. Okay, so 2AB may what? 2 will be there. What is A here? A is simple A. And what is B here? B is simple B. So this is this will be 2B ka whole square, so it will be 2B. So 2 multiplied 2, it will be 4AB. So it is coming exactly same. It is what? It is identity 1. Okay, so what is this will become? It can be written as A plus 2B ka whole square. It means we can write this as A plus 2B whole multiply A plus 2B. Let us take one more example. 36p square minus 60pq plus 25q square. Okay, so it can be written as 6p ka whole square. Are there three terms? Yes, there are three terms, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now can we write any two terms in the form of a square? Yes, we can write. It can be written as like this, plus it can be written as 5q ka whole square minus 2 into, what is A? 6p. What is B? 5q. Okay, so 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 minus 60p, it is coming. It means it is type 2 identity based factorization. Okay, so it can be written as 6p minus 5q ka whole square. We can write it as 6p minus 5q whole multiply 6p minus 5q. Okay, students, let us do one more question. Are there three terms? Yes, there are three terms. Can we write any two terms in the form of their square? Yes, we can write it as 2 ka whole square minus leave as it is plus 5b ka whole square. Now 2 into this, 2 into this, what is there? 5b. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Yes, it is, and it is what? Identity 2. Okay, so it will be 2 minus 5b ka whole square. It is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. It is what? A minus b whole square. So it can be written as 2 minus 5b ka whole square. Okay, now we will see using identity 3. What is identity 3? It is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b whole multiply a minus b. That we know. Okay, now how to write, how to do factorization by using third identity? So it will be 9x square minus minus 4. So how can we write? Are there two terms? Yes, there are two terms. Can we write, because in a square minus b square, how many terms are there? Two terms. So can we write in the form of a square? Yes, we can write 3x का whole square minus 2 का whole square. So it will be a and it will be b. A का square minus b